When it's time to apply for Crosby Scholar scholarships, you'll need to use Submittable.com to submit your application. Financial aid newsletters will have the links to all Crosby Scholar scholarships. Click on a link to access the application on Submittable.com. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. After clicking Create Account, click Sign Up, and then enter an email address and create a password. You'll need to verify your email address by sending a verification code. If you don't see an email from Submittable right away, be sure to check your spam. After entering the code, your account will be complete and you can view the entire application. You can begin your application, save it, come back later if necessary, and then finally submit when you're ready.